Hey guys, I thought I would come to you today with a lunchtime Dollar Tree haul. I had Wits for lunch, and let's see what I've got here. I've got a couple of days worth of Dollar Tree in my car. Not a whole lot of stuff. Great, this is wrapped up, but see if I can get to it. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. I just bought this little glass candle holder, I believe is what it is. And then we had a couple of these vases. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I thought it was different. It's like kind of a frosted mint green, if you can see it. And it looks like it has a little something on it. I'm not sure what the design is though. I don't think you can probably pick it up on the camera. It's right in there. They had those in a light blue and a frosted white as well. And like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I just thought it was different, so I just picked one up. And then I have some Russell Stover's dark chocolate coconut. That'll be going in my purse for work. I bought some steel wire. I thought I could use that in some of my DIYs. And then they had these picture frames. They're 5x7. They're like a blue with a gold, little bit of gold in them. I thought they were kind of coastal looking. And I bought 30 foam trays. The kids like these. They're really good for like sandwiches, little snacky stuff. You don't have to mess up dishes. And some watermelon gum. Okay, so that's what I got at lunch today, but I have some more back here. Give me just a minute. And I did do a haul the other day, but I think I lost my footage. I might have to go back and see. Oh gosh, everything's falling out of the bag. But I picked up two of these splash catchers. They have the ball and 2 racks for the swimming pool. Sorry, I'm leaning, guys. I'm trying to get this stuff. I got 2 more of these wood signs. Your attitude determines your direction, and make your dreams happen. I thought while they had them, I'd grab them. It's a heavy, nice piece of wood. Probably DIY those into something different. Okay, let's see what else I got here. Scott tissue. Some more of the bandanas with the American flag. And then the regular blue bandana. Get 2 of those. Here's another dad sign. It says Dad's coffee rules. Don't drink it, don't breathe it. No, don't drink it, don't breathe near it. Don't even look at it, but you're allowed to make it. There's that. And I picked up a banner that says United We Stand. I don't know if I'll be using this like that or using the letters as stencils. I picked up 3 of these bunting. That's what they look like. That's what it's called, a bunting. I've got 3 of those for a DIY. You know, my patriotic 6-week theme. So, and then I got a planter, a long one. I've got a couple of pool noodles back there in the back. I'm not going to pull them out. And I think that's it. I did stop at Home Depot this morning. Got 2 pieces of wood. These are 97 cents, and I believe they're 36 inches. Yeah, it's a 2x2 and it's 36 inches long. Have a DIY in mind for those. And that's all I have for you today, guys. It's a quick lunchtime haul. And I will see you in my next video. Like, share, and comment. Thank you to all my supporters. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you join my family. Have a great Wednesday, guys. See you in the next one.